If you own a Chevy Express van and want to improve your audio setup, the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Bracket is worth a look. This bracket is a GM recommended replacement part designed specifically for body electrical and lighting systems, ensuring it meets the same standards of performance and durability you expect from General Motors. Measuring 13.97 centimeters in length, 78.74 centimeters in height, and 21.59 centimeters in width, this lightweight bracket weighs just 0.635 kilograms. Its compact size makes installation straightforward, fitting perfectly without any modifications needed. What makes this bracket stand out is its seamless integration with your van's existing wiring harness. Most Chevy Express vans come pre-wired for rear speakers, but many owners don't realize it until they discover this bracket. The wiring harness is already waiting above the rear doors, ready to connect. This means you can upgrade your sound system quickly and easily without running new wires or complicated setups. Customers across the United States praise this bracket for its quality and ease of installation. One user mentioned receiving the item faster than expected and highlighted how simple it was to install since the wiring was already in place. This speaks volumes about how the product saves time and effort while delivering reliable performance. Why does this matter? Because upgrading your van's audio system can enhance your driving experience, whether for work or leisure. Better sound quality means clearer music, podcasts, or hands-free calls, all without the headache of a complex installation. The ACDelco bracket offers peace of mind with its original equipment quality and compatibility. If you're considering an audio upgrade for your Chevy Express van, this bracket is a practical choice. It's durable, easy to install, and perfectly matched to your vehicle's existing electrical system. Plus, pairing it with the OEM speaker connection harness, also available on Amazon, completes the setup for a smooth, factory-like finish. Try the ACDelco GM Original Equipment Speaker Bracket when you're ready to take your van's sound system to the next level. It's a simple upgrade that brings noticeable improvements without hassle. Worth a look if you want a reliable, GM-approved solution that fits right out of the box.